We are here to support the cruise tourism. And you can see the kind of infrastructure that we've put in place as KPA. It is to support the cruise tourism. I want to assure the ship captain, the staff captain, that the port of Mombasa is safe. And we are here to support the tourism. You are free to visit our small city here, the port of Mombasa, and also enjoy the white beaches in the port of, in the city of Mombasa.
See, we have a cruise terminal here which we've put in place. So we are welcoming more vessels to Mombasa, and my MD here has just briefed me that we are expecting more vessels next month. Captain, next time when you come, make sure you stay here 2 or 3 more days so that you can visit our parks and our beautiful cities. Thank you very much.
What's our blueprint, achieving our blueprint tourism. And on top of that one, we want to congratulate our Kenya Tourism Board, want to congratulate the KPA for all these ones. It is a part of growing our cruise tourism, and this is just the beginning. Last month in December, we also received a cruise ship, and we're hopeful next month also MSC is coming back here.
Appreciate Norwegian Cruise Line captain and the whole crew for having confidence in us. Secondly, I would like to appreciate the multi-task agency committee led by KPA for the amazing job they've done in preparation for this ship.
Looking forward to come back here in this nice port. On behalf of my officers and crew and Norwegian Cruise Line, we are really looking forward to come back here, and hopefully at one day we can have Mombasa as a turnaround port.
Na gucokia muhera meri-ini ya Norwegian